A metal oxide has the formula Z2O3. This metal oxide can be reduced by hydrogen to give free metal and water. If 0.1596 grams of the metal oxide required 6 milligrams of hydrogen for complete reduction, we need to find out the atomic weight of the metal. So what is the reaction between this metal oxide and hydrogen? It is like this. This metal oxide Z2O3, when made to react with hydrogen, that results in the formation of the metal Z and water. And when we balance the reaction, it is like this. 3 here and 3 here. So 1 mole of Z2O3 is combining with 3 moles of hydrogen to get 2 moles of the metal Z and 3 moles of water. And it is given in the numerical that 0.1596 grams of the metal oxide, that is Z2O3, required 6 milligrams of hydrogen, means 6 into 10 power minus 3 grams of hydrogen for reduction. Now, if we use only 1 gram of hydrogen, how much quantity of this Z2O3 gets reduced? Why I took it for 1 gram of hydrogen? Because any two substances always react in the ratio of their equivalent masses. As we know the equivalent mass of hydrogen, definitely we will get the equivalent mass of the entire metal oxide. So here 6 milligrams of hydrogen is required for reducing this much quantity of metal oxide. And 1 gram of hydrogen is used for reducing how much quantity of the metal oxide? It is 1 upon 6 into 10 power minus 3 multiplied by 0.1596, and this comes to be equal to 26.6. What is this 26.6? This is the equivalent mass of the metal oxide Z2O3. Now the equivalent mass of Z2O3 is equal to 26.6 means it is the equivalent mass of the metal Z plus equivalent mass of oxygen, that is equal to 26.6, and we know this value is equal to 8 and this is 26.6. We will definitely get the equivalent mass of the metal Z, which is equal to 18.6. So once we know the equivalent mass of the metal, we can calculate the atomic mass of the metal by using the formula atomic mass is equal to equivalent mass multiplied by valency. What is the equivalent mass? That is equal to 18.6. What is the valency? It's not given. But how you will get the valency of the metal? It is directly from the formula. Because this becomes the valency of the metal, that is 3, and this 2 becomes the valency of the oxygen. That's a very basic concept you might have learned in your school days. So what is the valency of the metal? 3, isn't it? It is similar to that of Al2O3. So multiply this 18.6 with 3. We get the final value as equal to 55.8. That is the atomic mass of the metal, which is there in option D.